Hi guys, welcome back to AW Smart Repairs and Black Stag Styling. So we've got another fantastic VW T6 with us for the next couple of weeks. So a very good, very good customer of ours, this one. So thank you, Andy, for having us do some more work on your vehicle. So this is in with us to have some hydro dipping, a really cool film to be done on the mirrors, and some interior trims. We've also got a reasonable amount of bodywork just to repair some scratches down the sides of the vehicle. So we'll be carrying all of that out as well. We're doing the brake calipers, so in a red heat resistant paint. So we'll be getting that all done as well. So normal stuff. Thank you for checking out our channel. It's hugely appreciated. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Turn on the notifications. Check out all of our links, and to waste no more time, let's get this baby in the workshop and crack on with it. Going to be a good one this, so stay tuned. Here we go. Happy days. Hello Adam.
Hello mate.
So just stripping a few of the old trims out of Andy P's van.
Yeah, mate, you've just turned up the big event, have you?
Event? Oh, mate. There's a bit of an event going on.
Oh, look at this. That's the first one out.
Lovely.
Lovely. And we're going for this centre panel too.
Okay.
Stereo there.
That's a lovely hat on the dashboard there.
That's a nice hat.
And we know young Andy's got some style. Look.
Yeah. He normally wears one of these round it too. Like this. Like that.
Oh, very nice.
Seen him down the road, you see.
Very nice.
Isn't it? There we go. It should just pop out.
Oh, and he especially wears that when he's doing all that dancing.
Yeah.
With umbrellas.
Mary Poppins style.
Mary Poppins.
Oh mate, this is a big event. Yeah.
It is, isn't it?
A big event.
It's definitely a bigger event.
Yeah. Nice. And we're going to prep them all up, ready to be hydro dipped in some skull
GW skulls, it's called. Andy chose that himself.
Yeah.
As there was lots of finishes available for the hydro dipping.
Yeah. Right.
Looking good, looking good. Okay, and then we've got the lower trim. And the vents, haven't we? The other vent, sorry. And then the two handles in the back.
Yeah, we've got this other
So we've got that lower trim as well.
Which lower trim, sorry? This one?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And then the trim over the other side. Look. Lovely.
Good, pop out. Oh, you see it?
Oh, he's got it.
That went, didn't it? Good quality VW parts, fit nice and well.
Excellent.
Lovely.
I'm glad we could join you for this event.
Yeah, I'm glad you
That just blow you in the eyes, mate.
Yeah, blew me right in the eyes, that did. Lovely. And this one
it's nice doing this, do something a little bit different on the interior.
Yeah.
Make it a bit more individual.
I don't know, I might have to stop filming for this one if it seems a bit more fitting. Oh no, here we go. Oh.
He's got it. Superb.
Right, here it comes, got a few bloods.
Lovely.
You just remember, white, green, blue. Got it?
We got it on film, we can't go wrong.
Okay. Let's look back at the old video.
There were thousands of hard-working...
I told you, pal. So then, Fraser, just putting a little bit more filler in to just because somewhere to put the filler, really.
Yeah, so I've labelled it all up as well, so we all know where it's going.
Lovely. That's just to get rid of these sort of small dents and bits and pieces across the side of the van, and
That's low spots along the bottom that have been done before and not done very well.
no,
In all honesty.
yeah, which is exactly what it's in here for, mate.
Exactly.
To be done properly.
Oh, is it? James!
Hi guys, thank you for checking out our latest YouTube video. So in this one we've decided to do a little giveaway. Everyone likes a giveaway, something for nothing pretty much. So all you've got to do is like and subscribe to our channel. Like the video, like I say, subscribe to the channel. Once we get 500 or more subscribers to our channel, then we'll pick 2 people at random, and then from all of our subscribers, and them 2 people can pick a hat or one of our caps. They're really nice caps for our Black Stag Styling. That's one of them. That's our grey and black one with the white line down the front. They're adjustable on the back, look, so you've got a little adjuster on the back. So either the grey and black or the black and red. You'll be able to take your pick as towards which one you want once we've picked the 2 people at random, and we will send them out to you. So get liking and subscribing. Thanks very much. There we go. So here's all the trims. All the bits ready to be hydro dipped. Actually, that's a complete lie. Ready to be painted, prepped and coloured, and then hydro dipped in the chosen finish, which will look lovely with the skulls and a little bit of colour to it. There we go. Superbulous. What are we doing now then, Adski?
Right, now we have just prepped up all the trims for the VW T6. We're just about to plastic prime them and then colour them the right colour to be hydro dipped in this this wee film here. Skulls on it, look. Here we go.
Let's have a look. Let's have a look at the film.
That's what we're looking at.
Look at that. That's a bit cool, isn't it?
Mm.
Something a little bit different.
Something a little bit different. We've got the wind mirror colours over here as well to do. So they're going to be skulled up.
Let's have a look.
It's a little bit nicer than that once it's
yeah, once it's on and all lacquered. Let's give it a little bit of a close up with that. Look, it's going to look cool. So we're going over a darker grey background with this, so that it's a little bit. It's not quite as bright. Normally you do this on a white background, but we're going to be doing this on a darker grey, just so it's more of a darker sort of shadowy finish to it. So here we go. We're all ready. Tank's all ready. Film's all ready. We're all ready. Adam's all ready. I'm just about ready. Everyone's ready. Let's go. Round the corner, you'll find young Fraser looking for
young Fraser,
his lunch.
Natural habitats. As you can see, he's looking for a mate to
Not sure what the noise was, but here we go, Jamesy baby.
Right, we're in the booth. We've got all the hydro dip parts for the Volkswagen T6 for Mr. Padman. You know. There's a few other new shapes, new patterns we've got to do as well. So we're going to clear them all at the same time.
Lovely jubbly, pal.
Lovely.
Let's do it. Of interest for you. Here's all the other finishes we keep in stock. So quite a lovely little assortment. Look, there we go. There's all the hydro dipping ones, some painted finishes. Look at that, lovely jubbly.
Lovely.
Quite a big selection of different finishes we can do. Okay, so the brake calipers now finished with their heat-resistant red paint all put on. There we go. Give you a little close up of that. Still got the clip to go in. That'll be painted black. Heat resistant paint as well, so that's still to go on. And then we get the wheels on. Lovely jubbly. Right, we're in the spray booth with James.
Hello.
Hello, James.
Hello. We've got Andy Padman's Volkswagen T6 in the booth. It's all been blocked. Some bits have been refilled, it's all been primered and then blocked again. So hopefully now all looking good. I'm now about to start putting some colour coat on.
Superb, sir. Get a little bit of colour on this baby.
Colour it up.
Lovely jubbly.
Turn me on, big one.
Woohoo! So the T6 has now had James apply all the lacquer coat. So look at that. So this is before it's polished or anything, still in the booth. So that'll give you an idea after the lacquer has all gone on and dry. So we should be taking it out and start polishing it all up. Lovely times. Right, all the bits that have been hydro dipped for the T6, we just put them in the office just so you can have a little look at them before we put them into the vehicle, or on the vehicle even. Other than the carbon fibre bit in the middle, all the rest is to go into Andy's VW T6. There we go. Looking cool. Oh, here we go. We're back over with the T6. Find young Adam. Here's Adam. Hello.
Hello, mate. How you doing?
Oh, I'm good, mate. And yourself?
Good. Yeah, I'm good, mate.
How you doing, James?
Magic. Just magic.
Magical.
We do call him the Magic Man, James.
Magic James.
Right, I'm just fitting all the interior trims back in, pal. I've just
Superb.
put all the switches back into this trim here, as you can see. Lovely jubbly. Make sure they all go back
Look
in,
at that.
In the correct place.
Look, you go see you got one of the air vents in, but
We always, what we do before we start is we always take a little picture so we know exactly where the
bits go.
Where the bits go.
So we'll just show the picture. There we go.
Yeah.
Yeah, can't go wrong that way, can we, mate?
No, can't go wrong.
Did you have to hold it up to your face like that so you knew where the switch is fitted?
In the mirror here. Yeah, we're all in the right place.
Excellent.
We're going to plug this one back in. It's got quite a few little plugs on it. VW though, can't beat them. Lovely.
Yeah, colour coordinated. Oh, colour coded, I think that is. I don't know about coordinated.
Well, okay, coded. We'll go with coded, shall we? Don't get that in a Saab, mate. Oh no.
Oh, nothing against Saabs though.
Nothing
obviously.
Saabs, just the plugs in them.
Just the plugs. Hello there, James.
Hello, mate.
Bit of machine polishing to Andy's van. Get it all finished.
Machine polishing, mate. Run it down the dog. Oh, my God.
Finished with the VW T6 for Mr. Andy Padman. All done, so we've done quite a bit on this. We've repaired and painted the, which side is it, James?
The near side.
Near side. We've repaired and painted the near side of the van just for some not so good paintwork in the past that have been done. That's all sorted. We've done a load of hydro dipping on the interior as well, so all the interior trims as you know, all done, wing mirrors, looking rather smart. Also the brake calipers have been done as well. We'll give you a little view around all of that in a moment. Thank you for checking out our channel. Please like and subscribe. Turn on the notifications so you can stay up to date with all of our videos. Right, we'll give you a little view round. Other ones we've got coming up soon. We're going to have a little Mercedes A45 AMG for some styling and some bits and pieces to black, so that'll be pretty cool. A couple of product reviews as well. So, with no further ado, there we go. Let's have a watch.